अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद खैरियत से होंगे। इंटर पार्ट 1 यानी फर्स्ट ईयर का जो केमिस्ट्री का MCQs है वो आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहे हैं, विद आंसर्स शेयर करेंगे। वीडियो में एंड तक हमारे साथ रहिएगा। चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आपको हमारी आने वाली हर नई वीडियो सबसे पहले मिले। और स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। ये MCQs के आंसर्स बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा क्योंकि जितने भी पेपर आ रहे हैं, हम जो गेस्ट देते हैं MCQs का, उनमें से जो है अगर आप तैयार कर लेंगे तो आपके 100% मार्क्स तो MCQs में से आ जाएंगे। और बाकी शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन का भी गेस हम जो है वो लगा चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, आप वहां से देख सकते हैं। उसका लिंक जो है वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे देती हूँ और आई बटन पे भी दे दूंगी, वहां से आप क्लिक करके शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग के गेस भी देख सकते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है जी MCQ का, ऑर्बिटल्स हैविंग सेम एनर्जी आर कॉल्ड द डीजेनरेट ऑर्बिटल्स। और सेकंड है द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जो है वो क्या कहलाता है, डिक्रीज एज द रिएक्शन प्रोसीड। सेकंड है जी द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, इनमें से कौन सी ऑप्शन ठीक है, डिक्रीज एज द रिएक्शन प्रोसीड, यानी रिएक्शन जैसे जैसे प्रोसीड होता जाता है उसकी जो रेट है वो कम होता जाता है रिएक्शन का। नंबर 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज हाईएस्ट बॉन्ड एनर्जी, इनमें से जो है वो HF है जिसकी हाईएस्ट बॉन्ड एनर्जी होती है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज वॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड बाय 1.4 ग्राम ऑफ N2 at STP is 1.12 डेसीमीटर क्यूब। नंबर 5, इन सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन द लॉ अप्लाइड इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ अप्लाइड होता है सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन के अंदर। नेक्स्ट है जी 1 कैलोरी इज इक्वल टू 4.184 जूल। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है एट व्हाट एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर विल बी 110 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। ये होता है जी बिटवीन 760 टॉर एंड 1200 टॉर के दरमियान में जब होता है तो एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर इतना हो तो फिर वाटर का जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो 110 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड होता है। नंबर 8, इन H2SO4 द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ S is +6। नंबर 9, मोलैरिटी ऑफ प्योर वाटर इज 55.5। इन ड्राई आइस CO2 मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म क्या बनाते हैं जी, मॉलिक्यूलर क्रिस्टल बनाते हैं। नंबर 11 है एन एक्सेस ऑफ एक्वस सिल्वर नाइट्रेट इज एडेड टू एक्वस बेरियम क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन, द प्रेसिपिटेट इज रिमूव्ड ऑफ द फिल्ट्रेट कंटेन्स, फिल्ट्रेट में क्या होगा, सिल्वर होगा, बेरियम होगा और नाइट्रेट आयंस होंगे। नंबर 12, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मोल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज मैक्सिमम एट 127 सेल्सियस एंड 1 एटम। नंबर 13, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज जीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट, BF3 जो है उसमें जीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट होती है। नंबर 14, द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम इन 22 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23। Number 15, when 6d orbital is complete the entering electron goes to 7p। Number 16, the pH of 10 raised to power -3 molar H2SO4 solution is 2.7। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी द नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड इन ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल इज 1 sigma 1 pi। Number 2, when 50% reactants in the reversible reactions are converted into product, the value of the equilibrium constant is 1। Number 3, the pressure remaining constant at which temperature the volume of the gas will become twice of what is it is at 0 degree centigrade 546 K। Molarity of pure water is 55.5। The wave number of the light emitted by a certain is 2 into 10 raised to power 6 per meter. The wavelength of this light will be 500 nanometer। The oxidation number of chlorine in perchloric acid is 7 है जी इसमें। The boiling point of water at the top of the Mount Everest is 69 degree centigrade। 2.7 gram of aluminium will react completely with how much mass of oxygen to produce aluminium oxide। ये needed होती है 2.5 gram of oxygen। Number 9, for a given process the heat changes at the constant pressure and at constant volume are related to each other। कैसे relate करते हैं, QP greater than है QV के होता है। The pH of 10 raised to power -3 mole per decimeter cube of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid is 2.7। Bohr model of atom is contradicted by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle। The substance used for decolorization of undesirable color in a crystalline substance is क्या होता है जी, एनिमल चारकोल। Which of the following is a pseudo solid? Glass. Equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees centigrade. The fraction of the total pressure exerted by oxygen is 1/3. Number 15 है which of the hydrogen halides has the highest percentage of ionic character? HI के अंदर होती है. Number 16 the enzymes used for hydrolysis of urea is urease. Number 17 the mass of 2 moles of electron is 1.10 milligram. नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन इज एन इक्विलिब्रियम प्रोसेस एंड इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ. नंबर 2 द मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 0.55 milligram. द वॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड बाय 1.4 ग्राम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एट STP is 1.12 decimeter cube. Number 4 in zero order reaction the rate is independent of concentration of the reactants. Number 5 if the salt bridge is not used between two half cells the voltage क्या करेगी? voltage drops to 0 हो जाएगी. molarity of the pure water is 55.5 और pH of pure water is 7. the pH of 10 raised to power -3 mole per decimeter cube of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid is 2.7. calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joule. नंबर 10 है जी इसमें इस पेपर में बॉन्ड एंगल ये जो आपको स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है इन केस ऑफ अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल इज 107.5. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मॉलिक्यूल हैज जीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट BF3. नंबर 12 कैथोड रेज स्ट्राइक एल्यूमिना एंड प्रोड्यूस अ रेड कलर. रेड कलर जो है वो प्रोड्यूस करता है. नंबर 13 व्हेन 6d ऑर्बिटल इज कंप्लीट द एंटरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन गोज इनटू 7p. नंबर 14 which of the following is a pseudo solid glass है. London dispersion forces are the only forces present amongst the molecules of the solid iodine. Number 16 a real obeying van der Waals equation will resemble ideal gas if both A and B are small. Right. Number 17 the molecular volume of carbon dioxide is maximum at 127 degree centigrade and 1 atom. Next paper है जी in the ground state of an atom the electron is present nearest to the nucleus. Number 2 in zero order reaction the rate is independent of concentration of the reactant. The net heat change in the chemical reaction is same whether it is brought about in two or more different ways in one or several steps. It is known as Hess's law. 1 mole of SO2 contains 0.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of the sulfur. Number 5 the molecules of carbon dioxide in dry ice form the molecular crystals. Number 6 the number of bond in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. Solvent extraction method is particularly useful technique for separation when the product to be separated is volatile or thermally unstable. If a strip of copper metal is placed in a solution of iron sulfate क्या होगा जी? no reaction take place क्योंकि कॉपर का और आयरन सल्फेट का कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होता. नंबर 9 18 ग्राम ग्लूकोज इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन 90 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. द रिलेटिव लोअरिंग ऑफ द वेपर प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू 1/51. Number 10 the deviation of a gas from ideal behavior is maximum at -10 degree centigrade and 5 atom. For which system does equilibrium constant K has units of concentration? क्या होगा जी इसमें 2NO2 और ये वाली इक्वेशन आपने जो है. Number 12 the order of rate of diffusion of gases ammonia, sulfate, chlorine and carbon dioxide is ये इक्वेशन जो है वो आ जाएगी. ऑर्डर इसका आ जाएगा अमोनिया ग्रेटर देन है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के और ग्रेटर देन सल्फेट और फिर ग्रेटर देन है क्लोरीन के. नंबर 13 विच ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन हेलाइड्स हैज द हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक करेक्टर? HI होता है. और उसके बाद है जी 27 ग्राम ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम will react completely with how much mass of oxygen to produce Al2O3. 24 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन नीडेड होती है. क्वांटम नंबर वैल्यू ऑफ 2p ऑर्बिटल्स आर n is equal to 2 और I is equal to 1. The pH of 10 raised to power -3 mole per decimeter cube of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid is 2.7. In order to mention the boiling point of water at 110, the external pressure should be between 760 and 1200 torr. नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी 1 मोल ऑफ SO2 contains 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of sulfur. The volume occupied by 1.4 gram of nitrogen at STP is 1.12 decimeter cube. Solvent extraction method is particularly useful for separation. ये repeat हुआ है many times, volatile or thermally unstable. Pressure remaining constant at which temperature the volume of the gas will become twice of what is it at 0 degree centigrade. ये है जी 546 K. Which of the following will have the same number of molecules at STP? 280 centimeter cube of the carbon dioxide and 280 centimeter cube of the N2O. उसके बाद है in order to mention the boiling point of water at 110, ये फिर रिपीट हो गया जी between 760 torr and 1200 torr. Which of the following is a pseudo solid glass? ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट हुआ है. क्वांटम नंबर value of the two p orbitals are this one, n is equal to 2, I is equal to 1. Number 9, splitting of the spectral lines of the hydrogen atom under the influence of magnetic field is called the Zeeman effect. Number 10, the number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. Which of the following species has unpaired electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals? क्या आ जाएगा जी नाइट्रोजन. द चेंज इन हीट एनर्जी ऑफ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन एट द कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड. इसमें ऑप्शन लगी नहीं हुई लेकिन इसका आंसर है एंथैल्पी चेंज. नंबर 13, द पीएच ऑफ 10 raised to -3 मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ एन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ H2SO4 is 2.7. This statement about the following equilibrium is correct. ये आपको equilibrium नजर आ रहा है. इसमें सबसे जो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है वो इसकी करेक्ट है. द वैल्यू ऑफ Kb फॉल्स विद द राइज इन टेम्परेचर. राइट, यानी जैसे ही टेम्परेचर राइज होता है तो Kp वैल्यू जो है इसकी वो फॉल हो जाती है, यानी कम हो जाती है, डिक्रीज हो जाती है. इस पेपर है इफ द रेट इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन A+2B ये क्रिएट करे प्रोडक्ट्स इज रेट इज इक्वल टू A इज प्रेजेंट इन लार्ज एक्सेस देन ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज 1. The molar boiling point constant is the ratio of the elevation in boiling point to. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा जी मोलैलिटी. Number 3, for which system does the equilibrium constant Kc has units of concentration? इनमें से जो बेस्ट आंसर है वो ये है जी 2NO2. ये बनता है N2O4. Next है the number of bonds in N2 molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. Which particle has greater wavelength? इसमें से जो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स है वो greater wavelength के होते हैं. Next है vapor pressure of the substance does not depend upon the surface area. A real gas obeying van der Waals equation resembles ideal gas. इसमें आ जाएगा जी both A and B are small. The word precedes mean the size of the pores. 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of the sulfur. Number 10, in which of the following oxidation number of chromium is not +6, K2Cr2O7? Sum of the pKa and pKb is equal to 14. Which one of the following molecule is paramagnetic? Oxygen. The wave number of the light emitted by a certain source is 2 into 10 raised to power 6 जो है the wavelength of light will be 500 nanometer. Which is not a state function. Work down the 7A group polarizability generally increases हो जाती है, increase हो जाती है लेकिन बढ़ जाती है. If absolute temperature of the gas is doubled and the pressure is reduced to 1, the volume of gas will be increases 4 times. The number of moles of carbon dioxide which contains 8 gram of oxygen ये है जी 0.50. ये ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है जी ऑर्बिटल having same energy are called degenerate orbitals. The rate of reaction decreases as the reaction proceeds. Number 3, for a given process the heat changes at constant pressure and at constant volume are related to each other as QP greater than this one. Number 4, the volume occupied by 1.4 gram of N2 at STP is, इनमें से कौन सी ठीक है जी? 1.12 decimeter cube. Diamond is a bad conductor because there are no free electrons present in the crystal of the diamond to conduct electricity. Which of the hydrogen halides has the highest percentage of ionic character? है जी HF. इसके बाद है the comparative rates at which the solutes move in a paper chromatography depends upon RF values of the solutes. The cathode reaction in the electrolysis of H2SO4 with Pg electrons is reduction. Number 9, 18 gram glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water. The relative lowering of the vapor pressure 1/51. If the absolute temperature of the gas is doubled and the pressure is reduced on half, the volume of gas will increases 4 times. For which system does not equilibrium constant has units of concentration? माइनस इसकी जो पावर -1 ये है जी, ये रिएक्शन 2 वाला. The deviation of the gas from ideal behavior is maximum at -10 degree and 5 atom. The voltage of nickel cadmium cell is 1.4. B. The number of moles of carbon dioxide which contains 8.0 of the oxygen is 0.25. When 6d orbital is complete, the entering electron goes into 7p. Sum of the pk and pkb is equal to 14. In order to mention the boiling point of the water at 110, the external pressure should be between 760 torr and 1200 torr. Next है जी, which of the following has linear structure? Carbon dioxide. The unit of Kc for reaction, this one will be, क्या आ जाएगा जी? इसका कोई यूनिट नहीं होगा. The partial pressure of PF oxygen in lungs is 116 torr. Relative lowering of the vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of the solute. Bohr's model is contradicted by Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The voltage of nickel cadmium cell is 1.4 volt. In order to mention the boiling point of water, ये repeat हो रहा है जी, 760 torr and 1200 torr पे. 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.02 10 raised to power -23 atom sulfur. For the reaction, this one, the change in enthalpy is called the heat of neutralization. Right. Next is the sum of pKa or pKb is equal to 14. Splitting of spectral lines when atoms are subjected to electric field called the Stark effect. Number 12, solvent extraction is an equilibrium process and controlled by the distribution law. Which of the following is a pseudo solid? ग्लास को कहते हैं जी pseudo solid है. इसको इस कप में से equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in the empty container at 25 degree. Fraction of the total pressure exerted by oxygen is 1/3. Which of the following has bond angle of 120 BF3? If rate equation of the reaction 2A plus B product is this one and A is in large excess, then order of the reaction is 1. The largest number of molecules are present in 3.6 gram of H2O. Next paper है जी, the rate of reaction decreases, the reaction proceeds. Molarity of pure water is 555.5. The pH of human blood is 7.35. Dipole moment of CO2 is 0. An orbital which is spherical and symmetrical is s orbital. The molecules of carbon dioxide in dry ice cream from the molecular crystals. The molar volume of carbon dioxide is maximum at 127 C at 1 atom. During the process of crystallization, the hot saturated solution is cooled at moderate rate to get the medium size crystals. Next, a limiting reactant is the one which gives minimum amount of the required product. Number 10, 27 gram of aluminium will react completely with how much mass of oxygen to produce Al2O2? 24 gram of oxygen needed होती है. Equal masses of methane and oxygen, ये भी repeat हो रहा है, 1/3 आंसर है इसका. Diamond is a bad conductor because no free electron present in the crystal of the diamond. Splitting of the spectral lines when atoms are subjected to a strong electric field is called Stark effect. Number 14. The number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. If an endothermic reaction is allowed to occur very rapidly in the air, the temperature of the surrounding decreases. The solubility product of silver chloride is 2.0 into 10 raised to the minus 10. The maximum concentration of silver ions in solution is 1.41 into 10 raised to the 5 mole per decimeter cube. If a strip of chromium metal is placed in a solution of iron sulfate, no reaction takes place. The number of moles of carbon dioxide which contain 8 gram of oxygen is 0.25. 27 gram of Al will react completely with how much air? 24 gram of oxygen. The chromatographic emits stationary phase is liquid is called partition chromatography. Equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees. The fraction of total pressure exerted by oxygen is 1/3. Geometry of diamond is cubic. NH3 shows maximum boiling point among the hydrides of fifth group element due to क्या वजह होती है? enhanced electronegative character of the nitrogen जो है ये होती है इसकी reason. Number 7. In the ground state of an atom, the electrons are present nearest to the nucleus. Number 8 है when 6d orbital is complete, the entering electron goes into 7p. The number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. Which of the following molecule has zero dipole moment? Carbon dioxide. Number 11. If an endothermic reaction is allowed to take place very rapidly in an air, the temperature of the surrounding air decreases. The pH of human blood is maintained at 7.35. Approximate pH of apple is 3.1. Ideal solutions obey Raoult's law. An aqueous solution of an ethanol in water may have vapor pressure more than that of water. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ chromium in chromium oxide is +3. The rate of reaction decreases as the reaction proceeds. Next है जी ये again repeat हो रहा है. 1 mole of SO2 contains this one. Number of isotopes of arsenic are 1. Solvent extraction in an equilibrium process is controlled by distribution law. Partial pressure of oxygen in air is 159 torr. Anionic solids are characterized by solubility in polar solvents. Boiling point of water at Everest is 69 degrees centigrade. Quantum number value of 2p orbitals are n is equal to 2 or n is equal to 1. उसके बाद Rutherford's model of atom failed because it did not account for the stability of the atom. Which of the following molecule has zero dipole moment? CH4 है जी. Bond energy of hydrogen molecule is 436 kilojoule per mole. For the given process, the heat changes at constant pressure and constant volume. उसका रिलेशन क्या होगा जी? QP greater than QP के. Rain water is slightly acidic. An excess of the silver nitrate is added to aqueous barium chloride and precipitate removed by the filtration. What are the main ions in the furniture? In the filtrate ये है जी this one. Molarity of pure water is 55.5. The molar boiling point constant is the ratio of the elevation of boiling point to molarity. उसके बाद है जी stronger is the oxidizing agent, greater is the reduction potential. Next है photochemical reactions are usually zero order. उसके बाद next paper है जी which of the following molecules has zero dipole moment? H2O. Splitting of the spectral lines जो है ये वाला ऑप्शन रिपीट हो रहा है. Stark effect इसका आ जाएगा. The boiling point of water at Murray Hill is 98 degree. If salt bridge is not used between two half cells तो ये क्या हो जाता है? Drop to 0 हो जाता है. Largest number of molecules are present in 3.6 gram of H2O. उसके बाद है hydrolysis of the tertiary butyl bromide is soda first order reaction. The molar boiling point constant is the ratio of the elevation in boiling point to molality. The solubility product of this one इसका क्या है जी 1.41 × 10⁻⁵ और नेक्स्ट है फॉर द रिएक्शन NaOH Na सोडियम क्लोराइड बन जाता है और H2O. The change in enthalpy is called the heat of neutralization. The number of moles of carbon dioxide which contains 8 gram of oxygen जो है वो है 0.25. The comparative rates at which the solutes move in paper chromatography depend on RF value of the solute. Which of the following is pseudo solid? इसमें से जी है glass. The velocity of the photon is independent of the wavelength. The molar volume of carbon dioxide is maximum at 127 C and 1 atom. 18 gram glucose is dissolved in 90%. तो उसकी रेशो क्या होगी 1:15. Optimum temperature for synthesis of the ammonia by Harvard process is 400 degree centigrade. Which of the hydrogen halides has the highest percentage of ionic character? इसका है जी H. क्वांटम नंबर विच रिप्रेजेंट 2p r n is equal to 2 l is equal to 1. उसके बाद है जी द ऑर्डर ऑफ फ्यूजन ऑफ NH3 SO2 Cl2 एंड ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है. इसका ऑर्डर आपने बता देना है. 4 HF molecules is 1.9 D और is 1.4 D. The percentage ionic character of HF molecule is 43. The nature of the positive rays is discharged tube depends upon the nature of residual gas. उसके बाद है जी 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.02 10⁻23. The unit of rate constant is same as that of the rate of reaction having order 0. उसके बाद है जी next for which of the following reaction the unit of equilibrium constant is reciprocal of the molar concentration. वो है जी 2NO2 वाला. सेकेंड वन इसकी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट है द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इज प्रेजेंट इन इसमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं 3.6 ग्राम ऑफ H2O. नेचर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स इन N2 मॉलिक्यूल इज 1 सिग्मा 2 पाई. नेक्स्ट है सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन इज अ सेपरेशन टेक्निक यूज क्या है जी वोलेटाइल और थर्मली अनस्टेबल. द साल्ट डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर फॉर्म्स अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ pH greater than Na2CO3. The amount of the heat absorbed when 1 mole of gaseous atoms are formed from the element is called enthalpy of atomization. Next oxidation state of oxygen in OF2 is +2. The solid which has a definite crystalline shape is called glass. The deviation of the gas from an ideal behavior is maximum at 10 degrees centigrade and 5 atom. नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी द डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज 1.85 D. उसके बाद हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज मैक्सिमम एट H2O. pH of 10⁻³ of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid is H2SO4 is 2.7. The volume occupied by 16 gram of CH4 at STP is 22.414 decimeter cube in zero order reaction. The rate is independent of concentration of reactants. The velocity of the photon is depend on its wavelength. The unit millibar is commonly used by meteorologists. The largest number of molecules are present in 3.6 gram of H2O. The type of hybridization in barium chloride is Sp. Number 10, the molar boiling point constant is the ratio of the elevation in boiling point to molality. Splitting of the spectral in vanadite suspected to strong electron field is called Stark effect. Number 12, the molar volume of carbon dioxide is maximum at 127 C and 1 atom. The oxidation state of Mn in KMnO7 में +7 है. The molecule of carbon dioxide in dry ice form the molecular crystal. Which one of the following compound is purified by the sublimation? वो है जी benzoic acid. The 16 है the term that is not state function work है. Liquid which are practically immiscible जो है वो H2O plus 6H6. The mass of 1 mole of electron is 0.55 mg. 27 gram of aluminium will react completely with how much mass of oxygen? We have 24 gram. Number 3, solvent extraction is an equilibrium process and is controlled by distribution law. The volume of the gas will become twice of what is it at 0 degree centigrade 546 K. If the absolute temperature of the gas is doubled and pressure is reduced to one half, the volume of gas will increase 4 times. When water freezes at 0 degree, its density decreases due to empty spaces present in the structure of ice. Number 7, in order to raise the boiling point of water up to 110, इसका आ जाएगा जी between 760 torr and 1200 torr. The nature of positive rays depends upon nature of residual gas. Bohr's model of atom is contradicted by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Which of the following molecule has zero dipole moment? BF3. Which of the halogen halides has the highest percentage of ionic character? HL. Calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joule. The pH of 10 raised to minus 3 mole per decimeter cube of aqueous solution of H2SO4 is 2.7. The molarity of pure H2O is 55.5. A solution of glucose is 10% or which 1 gram mole is dissolved will be 1.8 decimeter cube. Stronger the oxidizing agent, greater is the reaction potential. Number 17, in zero order reaction the rate is independent of concentration of reactant. नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी, सोल्यूशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज, ये रिपीट हो रहा है 1.8 डेसीमीटर क्यूब आ जाएगा. द मोलर वॉल्यूम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मैक्सिमम एट, ये भी रिपीट हुआ 127 सी एंड 180 एम. स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रल, ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है जी. मोलैरिटी ऑफ प्योर वाटर, ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है 55.5. ऑर्बिटल्स हैविंग सेम एनर्जीज का डीजनरेट ऑर्बिटल, ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑक्यूपाइड 1.4 ग्राम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड एसटीपी इज 1.12 डेसीमीटर क्यूब. कैलोरीज इक्विवेलेंट टू, ये सारे के सारे जो है वो रिपीट हो रहे हैं. ये भी नेक्स्ट रिपीट हो रहा है. द मास ऑफ 1 मोल, ये भी रिपीट है. जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है. ये तमाम जो है ये रिपीट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं इसको नहीं पढ़ रही. ये रिपीट है. द पीएच ऑफ, ये भी रिपीट है 2.7. नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं जी कि ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर है. डेंसिटी ऑफ एन आइडियल गैस कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय द फार्मूला. ये फार्मूला है D=PM/RT. नेक्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्पीशीज हैज अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन इन एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. ये वाला जी इसका आंसर है जी. द पीएच ऑफ मिक्सचर ऑफ दिस इज लेस देन 7 K. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. द यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट इज द सेम एज दैट ऑफ द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. Many elements have fractional atomic masses. This is because atomic masses are average masses. जो सबसे लास्ट वाली इसकी ऑप्शन जो है वो करेक्ट हो जाएगी. Which of the following compound do not show process of sublimation? कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. और उसके बाद है इन एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन द हीट कंटेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट्स. नंबर 9 है, इफ अ साल्ट ब्रिज इज नॉट यूज्ड बिटवीन टू हाफ, इसका आ जाएगा ड्रॉप्स टू जीरो. ऑर्बिटल्स हैविंग सेम एनर्जी आर कॉल्ड डीजनरेट ऑर्बिटल्स. 1 gram formula of NaCl is equal to 58.5 gram. Balmer series in hydrogen spectrums lies in the region ultraviolet आ जाएगा इसका. और नेक्स्ट है, when water freezes at 0 degree its density decreases due to empty spaces present in structure of ice. According to the Vesper theory, the shape of PF3 molecule is, क्या शेप होती है जी इसकी? pyramid होती है. If absolute temperature of the gas is double and the pressure is reduced, तो इसका क्या आ जाएगा आंसर? करेक्ट आंसर है जी डबल. एन एक्सेस ऑफ सिल्वर नाइट्रेट इन aqueous form is added to the aqueous barium chloride precipitate is removed by filtration. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा दिस वन. ये पहले भी आया था. थर्मोमीटर used in Landsberger method can read up to 0.01 K तक जो है वो इसको रीड कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी, द पीएच ऑफ 10⁻³ जो है 2.7, ये रिपीट हो रहा है. और उसके बाद ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है. उसके बाद द रेट इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन 2A+B, ये भी रिपीट हुआ है. इसका क्या होगा? रेट होगा 1. द निकल हैज नंबर ऑफ आइसोटोप्स, कितने आइसोटोप्स होते हैं? 5. पीएच ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्लड जो है वो 7.35 होती है. द नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स इन नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इज 1 sigma and 2 pi. Pressure remaining constant, at which temperature the volume of the gas will become twice of what it is at 0 degree centigrade, 546 K. 1 gram of amula sodium chloride is equal to 58.5 gram. उसके बाद है जी 18 ग्राम ग्लूकोज इज डिजॉल्व्ड इन 90 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा, इसकी फ्रैक्शन होगी 1/51. डी ब्रॉगली इक्वेशन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू एच ओवर एमवी. उसके बाद है जी 1 कैलोरी इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 4.184 जूल. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द नेचुरल प्लाज्मा इज अबाउट 20,000 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी फॉर M138 किलो जूल per mole. The velocity of the photon is independent of the wavelength. Solvent reaction is an equilibrium process and is controlled by distribution law. Stronger the oxidizing agent, greater is the reduction potential. Which of the following is a pseudo solid glass? है इसका आंसर. उस limiting reactant is the one which gives the minimum amount of the product under the consideration. Number of isotopes of oxygen is 3. The comparative rate at which the solutes move in paper chromatography depends on RF values of the solutes. Next, equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in an empty container at 25. इसकी रेशो आ जाती है 1/3. Oxygen molecule is heavier than the hydrogen by 16 times. Acetone and chloroform are soluble in each other intermolecular hydrogen bonding की वजह से. The crystal system of sulfur is monoclinic. The nature of positive rays depends on the nature of the residual gas. The quantum number in n is equal to 1 to 3.5 so on for principal quantum number. Which of the hydrogen halide has the highest percentage of highly characterized? The type of hybridization in NH3 is sp3. 1 calorie of equivalent to 1.184 joule. In excess of the aqueous silver nitrate is added to aqueous barium chloride. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा silver and barium and NO3. Laws of action states that the rate at which the reaction proceeds is directly proportional to the product of the active masses reactants. 18 gram glucose is dissolved in 90 gram. इसके fraction आ जाएगी 1/51. Stronger the oxidizing agent, greater is the reductional potential. The unit of rate of constant is the same as that of the rate of the reaction is first order reaction. Isotopes differ in properties which depends upon the mass. 27 gram of जो है aluminium react completely with how much 2.24 gram of oxygen. Solvent reaction is an equilibrium process and is controlled by the distribution. The pressure remaining constant at which 546 K is the answer. The molar volume of the carbon dioxide maximum 127 C and 1 atom. Acetone and chloroform are soluble in each other due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding की वजह से. When water freezes at zero, its density decreases due to empty spaces present in the structure. उसके बाद the nature of the positive rays depends on the nature of the residual gas. The velocity of the photon is independent of its wavelength. The number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. Which of the following species has unpaired electrons in antibonding molecular orbital is sodium. 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joule. The pH of 10 raised to -3 mole per decimeter cube of an aqueous solution of H2SO4 is 2.7. In excess of the aqueous silver nitrate is added to aqueous barium chloride. इसमें आंसर आ जाएगा Ag plus barium plus NO2. 18 gram glucose is dissolved. इसकी फ्रैक्शन आती है 1/51. The cathodic reaction in electrolysis of del H2SO4 with Pt electron is reduction. In zero order reaction, the rate is independent of the concentration of the reaction. Next paper है जी, the wave number of the light emitted by a certain source is 2 into 10 raised to 6 per meter. The wavelength of this light is 500 nanometer. Which of the following will have the same number of molecule at STP 280 per centimeter of carbon dioxide, 280 centimeter cube of 2O. The change in heat energy of the chemical reaction at constant temperature and pressure is enthalpy change. Or 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.02 10 raised to 23 of the 10 degree centigrade temperature. The rate of reaction doubles. This increases in rate of the reaction is due to increase in number of reactive solution. Collisions. NH3 shows maximum boiling point among the hydrides of the group 5A elements due to enhanced electronegative character of the nitrogen, which one does not undergo sublimation. Mercury. The mass of 1 mole of electron is 0.5 milligram, which one has the regular tetrahedral shape CH4. Polarity of the pure water is 55.5. Splitting of the spectral line when slows are इसके आ जाएगा जी Stark effect. The molar volume of carbon dioxide is maximum at 127 C and 1 atom. Which of the following statement is not correct about the galvanic cell? कौन सी statement correct नहीं है? Reduction occurs at an Which of the following is a pseudo solid glass है? Solvent extraction method is particularly useful technique for separation when the product to be separated is volatile or thermally unstable. The number of bonds in a nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. For which system does the equilibrium constant Kc as the units of जो है concentration is this one. Next है जी isotopes differs in properties which depends upon the mass. The mass of 1 mole of 1.55 mg. The comparative rates at which the solutes move in proper chromatography depends on by value of the solutes. उसके बाद chromatography in which the stationary phase is solid clarifies as absorption chromatography. Which of the following will have the same number of molecules at STP 280 centimeter cube of carbon dioxide and 280 centimeter of N2O? How should the condition be changed to prevent the volume of a given gas from expanding? Its mass is increased, temperature is lowered and pressure is increased. London dispersion forces are the only forces present among the atoms of helium in gaseous state at high temperature. Diamond is a bad conductor because there are no free electron present in the crystal of the diamond. Next, as the quantum number values for 2p orbitals are n is equal to 2, l is equal to 1. Bohr's model of atom is contradicted by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. The number of bonds in nitrogen molecule 1 sigma and 2 pi. The bond angle in NH2 molecule is 107.5. उसके बाद है the net heat change in a chemical reaction is same whether it is brought. इसमें आ जाएगा जी Hess's law. For which system ये रिपीट हो रहा है. उसके बाद मोलैरिटी ऑफ प्योर वाटर 55 ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है. If the strip of ये भी repeat है, the unit of rate constant is the same as that of the rate of reaction is zero order reaction. Next है जी an excess of the aqueous silver nitrate is added to the aqueous barium chloride and precipitate to remove by the filtration. What are the loss in the filtrate? आपका क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? Ag plus barium plus N3. Solvent extraction is controlled by distribution law. When 6d orbital is completed तो 7p में चला जाता है. Amorphous solids जो है वो can process small regions of the orderly arrangements of the atoms. A limiting reactant in the above which gives the minimum amount of the product under consideration. An aqueous solution of the ethanol is in water may have vapor pressure more than that of the water. उसके बाद डैश इज द सोडो ग्लास जो है वो इज द सोडो सॉलिड होता है. ऑर्बिटल्स हैविंग सेम एनर्जी कॉल्ड डीजनरेट ऑर्बिटल. उसके बाद जी BF3 shows sp2 hybridization. The deviation of the gas from ideal behavior is maximum at -10 degree and 5 atom. Dash is not used as the drying agent in desiccator. वाटर जो है वो होता है. The unit of rate of constant is the same as that of the rate of reaction is zero order. इसके बाद Vesper theory was developed by Sedgwick and Powell. The mass of 1 mole जो है वो 0.55 milligram. If the salt bridge is not used का जगह drops to zero. Equal masses of methane and oxygen mixed जो है उसका ratio आ जाएगी 1/3. The endothermic reaction, the heat content of the product is more than that of the reactants. Next है जी paper. The largest number of molecules are present in 3.6 gram of H2O. How many subatomic particles are thought to exist in an atom? 100. Solvent extraction is an equilibrium process and is controlled by distribution law. उसके बाद है जी डैश सब्सटेंस इज यूज्ड एज डीकलराइजिंग एजेंट इन crystallization process animal charcoal. The molar volume of carbon dioxide is maximum at 127 and 1 atom of molecule in 1 decimeter cube. Water is close to 55.6 into this one. When a water freezes at 0 degree centigrade, its density जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है due to empty spaces present in structure of the ice. Or glass is a pseudo solid. Orbitals having same energy are called the degenerate orbitals. Bohr's model of atom is contradicted by Hazen's uncertainty principle. The number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 2 pi. In sp3 hybrid orbital s character is 25%. For the reaction NaOH plus HCl, तो ये बना सोडियम क्लोराइड और वाटर. द एंथैल्पी चेंज इज कॉल्ड द एंथैल्पी ऑफ द क्या बन जाएगा जी न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. An aqueous solution of ethanol in water may have vapor pressure more than that of the water, right? उसके बाद है जी stronger the oxidizing agent greater is reduction potential. If the rate of equation of the reaction 2A plus B products the rate जो है वो हो जाएगा इसका 1. तो ये था जी सॉल्ट एमसीक्यूज थे केमिस्ट्री के फर्स्ट ईयर के. उम्मीद है आपको इसको देखते देखते ही वीडियो आपकी तैयारी हो गई होगी इंशाल्लाह. और आपका बहुत अच्छा पेपर होगा. पेपर के बारे में जरूर बताइएगा कि इसमें से कितने आपके आए, कितने परसेंटेज आई आपके एमसीक्यूज की. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक